Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given the functions f and g graphed in the xy plane. We're asked for which of the following values of x does f of x plus g of x equal 0. So the easiest way to do this is just to plug in. For -3, let's test it. Does f of -3 plus g of -3 equal to 0? Well, f of -3 plus g of -3 equals, this is the graph of f. If we go x is -3, that goes -1, -2, -3. The graph of f is at this point right here, which correlates with the value of -1. So we have -1 plus, and then if we do the same for g of x, we have this curve right here, and going -1, -2, -3, you see it goes down, and it's actually intersecting at the same point. For -3, it is also equal to -1. -1 plus -1 is equal to -1 minus 1 is equal to -2. So for -3, the f of x plus g of x does not equal 0, it equals -2. So A is not going to be your answer. So -2, similar thing. F of -2 plus g of -2 is equal to f of -2, again looking at this curve, going x direction at -1, -2, that's going to correlate with this point down here, which is going to go with -1, -2. So f of -2 equals -2. G. Again, this curve right here, we're going to go -1, -2 out, and then that's going to correlate with this point up here, which you'll notice correlates with the y value of 2, so g of -2 is 2. So -2 plus 2 equals 0. So therefore, for the value of x, x is equal to -2, f of x plus g of x is equal to 0, therefore -2 is your answer. You can test -1 and 0 if you want, but we know that -2 works, and therefore, by process of elimination, C and D can't work because only one answer can be true at a time, so your final answer is going to be B. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.